If you need serious backup power, the ECOFLOW Delta 3 Ultra Plus is worth a look. I've been testing what this power station brings to the table, and honestly it feels built for more than just charging your phone. The first thing that stands out is the power. It can handle demanding devices with ease. Laptops, TVs, fridges, tools, and other essentials are all on the list. That makes it useful during power cuts. It can also be handy for camping, road trips, or working away from the grid. Another big plus is the battery technology. ECOFLOW uses a lithium iron phosphate battery, or LFP. That means better durability and a longer overall lifespan compared with many older battery types. The controls are also simple. The display gives you useful information at a glance. You can see power usage, battery levels, and charging status without guessing. And then there's charging speed. ECOFLOW is known for fast charging, so when the battery gets low, you don't necessarily have to wait all day to get back to full power. Of course, it isn't perfect. This is a large power station. It's not something you casually throw into a backpack. And the price can also be a concern. If you only need to charge small electronics, this is probably overkill. But if you need serious backup power, the story changes. You're getting a powerful system with a durable battery and plenty of flexibility. So, my fast verdict? The ECOFLOW Delta 3 Ultra Plus is a strong choice for home backup, outdoor use, and emergencies. It's expensive. It's heavy. But if you need dependable portable power, this one deserves your attention.